Every building has different needs. Every facility, different electric costs, heating needs, and cooling needs. Even their sizes are different. At Nugomide Resources Limited, we provide the right customized AC and inverter unit solutions for your building, giving you proper cooling in summer and adequate heating in winter, as well as reduced electric costs. Our packages provide a year's warranty, customized AC unit installations, servicing, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Come, let's discuss your building needs. Nugomide, tailored to your needs.